White, but I'd say brown in front of my wife.
Well, I love white, but you know, sometimes you just have to take the brown because you just want to be on diet or something. But I just love white.
White.
Brown.
Brown.
White. Brown.
Brown bread.
Brown.
Definitely scuba diving. I've done it, loved it, couldn't do the other.
Yeah, scuba, I think. It's more safe.
Skydiving.
Skydive.
Pass.
Scuba diving. Never done either, to be honest. I always wanted to scuba dive, I think.
Skydiving.
Scuba diving.
Sunset. I'm a romantic.
Both, I think.
Sunset.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Sunrise. Because I love getting up early when I'm back home in Reunion Island.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Sunrise.
I'd love to be Indian, can't do it. Stomach doesn't allow it, so it's got to be Chinese.
Chinese.
Chinese for sure.
Always Chinese.
Indian food.
Chinese.
Chinese. Actually, Thai. Changed the answer there.
Indian. So spicy a little bit, so I like the spicy food.
Chinese.
Always half full.
Half full.
Half empty.
Half empty.
Half full.
Half full because I'm very positive.
3/4 full.
Half full.
Half full.
I'm so old I don't know what Shambo is, so I'll go Rambo.
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 Shambo. Just because I hate Rambo.
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 What Shambo?
Rambo.
Rambo. Shambo.
Woods and Federer. My wife loves Federer. I gotta go Federer for her.
Federer.
Federer.
Oh, after what Woods is going through, I'd say I'll stick to Woods.
Federer, yeah.
Woods.
Ooh, that question's changed in the last few weeks, so I don't know, I like them both, to be honest.
Oh yeah, Federer.
Woods.
Oh, I definitely do boxers. And the extra large is only for the waist.
Boxers.
Boxers.
Commando.
Briefs? What's that?
Not boxers. So I like the light one.
Boxers.
Boxers.
Briefs.
Blonde, my wife's a blonde. Love them.
Brunette. Blonde.
Yeah, blonde.
Brunette. More charm, I think. More personality.
Whoever will have me.
Blonde.
Not fussy.
Oh God, leg. My father actually had a leg shot off in the war. Live with it, can be done. He got down to 4 handicap. Can be done.
Legs. I need my arms more. Sorry?
Just pass this question.
Legs.
I don't know. I don't want to do these.
What a question. Hopefully I'll never be put in that position. But left arm.
Had this conversation not so long ago.
Arms.
Both arms.
Women know when men are being childish.